Hi everyone, this is Dana from Wavio. I'm excited to share a new feature that we just released. And in this one, it will allow Google Classroom teachers to bring their course content directly from Google Classroom into Wavio with one click of a button. Let me show you how that works. So I'm here in a new course that I just created, and I can click on import from Google, or I can go to here where it says add content and click, and the drop down menu opens and I have an import from Google option. So clicking takes me through the approval process where I will select my account that is associated with Google Classroom, which should be the same account that I logged into Wavio. It talks to me about getting access to specific, we'll get to see all class materials, we'll get to view topics, the Google Classrooms in order to pull this information into Wavio. Once you get here, you say allow, it's just viewing, it's not going to change anything. On the other side on Google Classroom, it's just pull the data. Once you click allow, it will take you back into Wavio. And here it will show you the Google Classroom courses that you have. And I'm going to select one of these. And now it's going to show me the content within that course. I can select topics to include one by one or all at once. In this unit, I have several lessons and all the activities inside. I'm just going to say yes to all of this and click import content. It tells me it successfully imported one unit, 14 lessons, and 71 activities. And it takes me back into the course page. And here I have this unit with all my lessons inside. And when I click open each one of them, I have all my activities. All of my activities will be noted as assignments, but you can click on them and change that icon. In here, you will have all your instructions, links, and labels already associated. You can modify everything as you like, but here it is within one click of a button, getting you content from Google Classroom. I'm happy to share this. Please use this. If you have feedback, reach out to me. Thank you. Have a great day.